Optum Packout, what we will start with is the RSC. Included in this are going to be 3 different variables of foam liners. We have 1, 2, and these 2. The process is we insert the thicker, the wider one first, and this serves as the floor liner, panel 1 liner, and when we're all done, this will be closed to seal the pack internally. The second liner will be folded in a U shape, face towards the user, the assembler, inserted into the RSC, and then packed snug against all 4 sides. And then once again, press down on the bottom. And the last 2 foam buffer pads go in, seal the top, seal the RSC, pack out complete.